Hey guys, this is Endall, and today I'll show you a magic trick with a cup and a coin. So I'll let you guys inspect the cup. It's just an ordinary red Solo cup. And here's the coin. It's just an ordinary 25-cent coin. Okay. So the trick is that I'm going to make this coin disappear right in front of your eyes. Don't believe me? Okay. So I'm going to get my cup. I'm going to cover it with my handkerchief. You can use any handkerchief you want. And look at this. Crazy, huh? The coin's gone. Now I'm gonna make it reappear. Isn't that crazy? I just made this coin disappear and reappear right in front of your eyes. Now I'm gonna make it a little bit crazier. So we're gonna throw away the cup and we're gonna bring a nice clear glass. So I'm gonna do the same thing. But instead of using this handkerchief, I'm just gonna use my hand. Ready? Now it's gone. Now I'm gonna make it reappear. Voila. This coin just disappeared and reappeared right in front of your eyes. If you want to know how to do this trick, stay tuned for next week's video. Thanks for watching, guys.